on a skillet. As he boils, you should pause. Eraser!
No, don't!
Where were we? Oh yeah, feed robotic tears onto the skillet and you've got an infinite loop of teardrop boiling. Isn't that hilarious?
This prank is under review by the Blocky's Funny Doings Investigation Agency.
Ooh, this must be the battery pack.
Yay, batteries! Cable, you served me well, but now I can move wherever I want. Whee!
Oh my gumdrops, Free Smarters!
Flat brown Ruby.
Look at this little fella. He's the same color